Hi there, students. Ramification, or very commonly ramifications, a noun, and then the verb is to ramify. Okay, ramifications are the consequences, often unexpected, coming out of something that we do. So, for example, before making a new law, you need to think about all the possible ramifications, the things that will occur as a result of that law, how things will develop, how that law might develop, and the things that might develop out of it. And also ways that this law might be interpreted, things that people might do to avoid this law, for example. So these are consequences, often consequences that complicate things. So what are the ramifications of burning fossil fuels? Well, one of the ramifications, or the main aim of burning fossil fuels, is to make our lives easier, to give us energy for different things. But there are other ramifications. It increases the level of CO2 in the atmosphere. And a ramification of this increased CO2 is global warming. Another is changing the growing conditions for plants. So maybe this atmosphere favors one plant over another, and therefore you get a lot more of it growing. That is a ramification. So a ramification, an offshoot of a decision, or a consequence, or implication, especially when this complicates matters, it makes things more difficult. Now let's look at the verb to ramify. To ramify means to divide into branches or subdivisions. This word is very often used in botany for plants, where a single shoot ramifies into multiple branches and stems. If you nip off the end of a growing shoot, it will often ramify and produce multiple growing shoots or growing tips, and then these produce different branches. Art has ramified over the ages. When we were primitive cavemen, art was maybe drawing on the walls or dancing around the fire or singing a song. But this has ramified in many different ways. Now for decorative fine art we could have cubism, we could have superrealism, we could have abstract art, or music. We could have pop music, we could have classical music, we could have country and western. These are all different ramifications of the concept of music, just different branches or different sections. So ramifications are the results, the consequences and offshoots of a decision or an action. Often these are not the original intention, but something else that just happens. Yeah, you do something with the intention of doing something else, but there are other ramifications. Other things happen as a consequence of this as well. So, for example, when their best player twisted his ankle, the team manager didn't realize the ramifications. Maybe one of the ramifications is that they didn't win their next match. Or maybe the player sued the club for doing something wrong. He took legal action against them. Or maybe the fans were angry because he didn't play. Or maybe the manager lost his job because the team didn't win the cup. All of these are different ramifications from the fact of the player twisting his ankle. Now, ramifications are not always bad consequences. Speaking good English has many ramifications. For work, you might get a better job. You might go to work in another country. For travel, you're able to travel more easily because you speak English. For your hobbies, you may be able to read the manuals in another language or in English. Or even just for your leisure or for relationships. One of the ramifications, you could have an English-speaking girlfriend maybe. So the ramifications, the extra consequences of it. Now, what about formality? I think I'd give this maybe 6.5 in formality. It sounds a little bit technical, scientific, maybe related to logic. I think informally I might use the phrase to branch out or an offshoot. And then the origin is easy. It comes from Latin, ramificare, to branch, to form branches. Ramus, a branch, and fascio, to make, so to make branches. So, the ramifications of each decision you make should be carefully thought out, although there will always be unforeseen ramifications as well. So, if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Ramification, ramifications, ramify.